Sarah, was the president upset that his Secretary of State didn't deny calling him a moron in his public remarks yesterday?
We're going to talk about misleading. That's the only thing misleading I see in this entire process.
Like
you guys are focused on a meeting that Don Jr. had no consequence when the Democrats actually colluded with a foreign government like Ukraine. The Democrat-linked firm Fusion GPS actually took money from the Russian government while it created the phony dossier that's been the basis for all of the Russia scandal fake news. And if you want to talk further about a relationship with Russia, look no further than the Clintons. As we've said time and time
That's
again,
not true.
Bill Clinton was paid $500,000.
Viral Duck Films.